All right, welcome back guys to another episode of Caught in California. You're watching the 24K Sport Fishing channel. I always say this, but don't forget to subscribe. You're the reasons why I do these videos. I enjoy making them. I enjoy being out here fishing, but making them for you guys when you guys can't come out here fishing. I know you enjoy watching them, so please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Follow me on the Fish Brain, and stay tuned. All right, so we're out here on the California Delta. I launched out of the Brandon Island area again because it's going to give me access to the San Joaquin and also the Sacramento. Just depending on the water conditions, we may be able to fish both. For those of you who watched my last episode, my boat overheated, causing me to have to troll all the way back to the dock. That wasn't any fun. I only got one fish out of it, trolling all the way back home, but at least I didn't get skunked. So I'm pretty proud of that one. Today is a testing day to make sure that the overheat doesn't happen and that we can get back out here on the water and stay out here on the water without having that overheat problem. It ended up being the impeller. For those of you who watched my video, I was testing two possible impellers. It ended up being only one impeller needed, which was the seawater impeller. And I hope that's the final fix, guys. So stay tuned. Conditions are actually pretty good for trolling. I think we have an outgoing tide, or excuse me, we have an incoming tide to about noon, and then we have an outgoing tide again till 6 p.m. And those are very small tides, and it's ideal for trolling. And we'd like to be able to do that today. Because of the smaller tides, we're not going to have a whole lot of debris like we had last weekend. That was just absolutely terrible. I got pretty frustrated, not to mention the boat overheating just kind of topped it off for me, and I ended up coming back home a little upset. But today we're back out here again. This may be my last day of fishing this spring. It is late in the season. We're 2 to 3 weeks out before the final season, and I hang it up for the spring, and then I give up for the summer, and then we wait till the fall again. We come right back out here in the fall. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. As always, have a nice day and see you out on the water. Enjoy the video, guys.